Okay, this is how I see it. There are two types of people when it comes to manifesting. There's the I need to make it happen people, and I surrender to the magic people. Obviously, we know that Dr. Joe's style of manifesting is more of the latter. He believes in setting intentions, knowing exactly what you want, but also being open to what the universe wants to give you. The I need to make it happen people love to know exactly how and when their manifestation is going to come in. So these are the people who want to manifest a specific person, specific job. They don't mind micromanaging the process and visualizing each step of the process. And there's nothing wrong with this type of manifesting. It really depends on your personality. I feel like people who are perfectionists or type A personality probably preferred this way of manifesting, but it could also bring them a lot of anxiety because when you're trying to micromanage every step of the process, you are seeking to be in control, right? Every step of the way. But again, it's completely okay. So many people have manifested this way. It really comes down to your preference because the law remains the same throughout. Energy is energy. It doesn't discriminate. It doesn't matter if you're obsessing over your manifestation as long as you feel good about it and you feel as though it is coming and it will happen and you're tapped into that frequency, then it's okay. It's okay to think about your desire every single day. On the other hand, the I surrender to the magic people are also very clear about what they want, but maybe their desires look like this. Instead of I want to win the lottery to become a millionaire, these people set intentions like I intend to be abundant and wealthy. And then they just surrender. They're open to people, opportunities, ideas that come their way after their intentions have been set. If they want to manifest love, they would probably write down the characteristics of this person. And again, they just surrender to whoever the universe decides to bring into their life. They're not really focused on one specific person. Personally, I'm learning to surrender a little bit more because in this phase of my life, that is what makes me feel good. I don't really want to micromanage anything. I've done that before, and honestly, I got my manifestations. You just can't not get it. This is law. Whatever you visualize and set your mind and heart to, you will get. It doesn't matter when, you will get it. Both groups of manifestors are correct. There's nothing wrong with however you choose to manifest. It's a matter of what makes you feel good because energy is neutral. There's no good or bad, right or wrong. Whatever you focus on will simply grow. So let me know in the comments below what type of manifestor you are. Are you the type who's very specific? Or do you like to surrender to the magic of the unknown? Let me know. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below and follow for more.